Hello and welcome to a new video tutorial of SiteGround. My name is Mauricio and today I will show you how to configure the SuperCacher settings in the SiteGround Optimizer plugin for WordPress. Let's begin. After downloading and activating the plugin SiteGround Optimizer, we can set some extra configuration in the different tabs of its dashboard. In this video, we will focus on the SuperCacher settings and I will show you in detail each option of this tab. If you want to know how dynamic cache and memcached work, we encourage you to take a look at the video using nginx, dynamic cache and memcached in SiteTools that you can find clicking in the upper right corner or in the description of this video. Dynamic cache. In order to use all the features of dynamic cache, you need to activate it using the switcher. With this switch, you can control whether your website is cached or not. Manual cache purge. Pressing this button will completely clear the dynamic cache stored for your website. Usable if you want to make sure that you are loading the latest version of your site. Automatic cache purge. Enabling this option will allow our plugin to clear parts of your cache once it detects changes in your content. For example, every time you delete a category, update your plugins or themes, update your WordPress version, update a post, or a new comment is added. We do a full purge of your website to ensure that your new content is shown in the front end. That's why we highly recommend to set this option on. Browser-specific caching. Enabling the browser-specific caching will create different cache versions based on the user agent used. For example, if your visitor opens your website from a mobile, it will have its own cache file. The same for other visitors with tablets or desktop devices. Exclude post types and URLs. In case you want to exclude some post types or custom post types from the cached version, you just need to select them from the drop-down menu. The same goes for URLs. Simply paste the relative path to the URL you want to exclude. In addition to exact URLs, you can use the wildcard sign asterisk to exclude the entire section of your site. Click the example link to see some hints on how to write them. Test cache status. We know that this cache management can be a bit tricky. That's why we developed a quick cache testing tool to verify whether your URLs are properly cached. Just enter the relative path and then click the test button to check that everything is working fine. Memcached. Memcached is one of the most popular offset caching solutions. Once it's active for your account, you need to turn on the memcache in the SiteGround Optimizer plugin as well. This will configure your site to use the service. I hope this video helped you to solve the problem. If so, consider subscribing to our channel to learn more about our tools and much more content we have prepared for you. Thank you and good luck.